Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be doing unboxing of some pops. Funko Pop crate unboxing. We have a couple of them, let me see, 3, 6, 9, 10 of them. So we're going to unbox all 10. And at the end of the unboxing, I'm going to do like a little 360 video of each one. So if you're interested, stick around. If not, you can fast forward to the video. First one is Harley Quinn. Here she is. Well, here's the box, and let's get her out of the box. Here's a close-up. Next one is Cartman. I got him because I love South Park. Some people do, some people don't. I love it. I think it's really funny. And he has a little sign that he's holding. It says, "I'm a little piggy." There he is. He does not have high center of gravity, so he definitely will not fall over. Okay. This is Vulture from Spider-Man. I liked the way he looked, so I got him. Add him to my collection. And it's a bubble head. Very bubbly. Looks pretty awesome. Let me just clean this up. Next one, we have Princess Atta. Oh, cool. I haven't taken her out of the box. So she has little wings on her. One wing is up, one wing is down. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be, but that's the way it is. Oh shoot, you know what? I forgot. These come with little stands. Because I was wondering before, in previous unboxings, I could not stand them because they fall over. I was like, what? There's gotta be a way. So they come with these little plastic stands, so you can stand them. Basically, they won't fall over. Next one is Tourist Jerry. So here's the box. I just thought it was kind of funny that on these pop boxes, they say that this is not a toy. On the ones that I've read, it's pretty interesting. Yeah, it's sold by a toy company. Okay, that's him. Next one is Supergirl. Oh, let me show you the box. I'm so excited over opening it. I don't want to show you guys what the box looks like. And here's what you can collect. This is pretty awesome actually. I'm glad I got this one. And I think she comes with, yep. She comes with that little ring as well, which I threw up on the ground. It just has one little peg. See, this is what it looks like, that little plastic ring. Next we have Flick, another awesome character. I wish I could find the little grub worm or whatever the thing is. His name is Heimlich or Heimlich. but I did not see him at the time, so I picked these two characters up. Sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, here he is. He's awesome. Very colorful. Love the colors. And just an awesome character in the movie. Okay, now we have Superman. Another awesome character. If you like Superman, and if you don't, then he's not so awesome. Check this out. Okay, next we have two more left. Oops. Let me get them out. So we have Chewbacca. Little bubblehead. And we have final character, which is Butters. I love Butters. He's so funny. Almost as good as Cartman. I may like him, Butters, a little more than I do Cartman. This is what he looks like. Simple, but awesome. Okay, now we're gonna do a 360 viewing of these awesome pop figures. Okay, so either stick around or I'll see you next video. Okay, thanks.